So basically, today was really hard. um, I tried to change my brake pads, and it was super cold. My hands were like frozen by the time I finished, or not finished, like finished what I tried to do so far. Um, I had a really hard time getting the bolt off the caliper. Um, I don't know, maybe I should weigh more than 125 pounds. I don't know. I just, maybe I need to do more push-ups and stuff so that I'm stronger because, yeah. Anyways, I got really dirty today. My clothes were disgusting when I got home. So they're in the washer. And I'm going to attempt again tomorrow. I am going to do the other side. Hopefully the bolt won't be stuck on so much. And I'm going to kind of go from there, see what happens. Hopefully I can do it. Because then, I'll be able to say, hey, I changed my own brake pads. Hee hee. Yeah. Anyways, so attempt number 2 tomorrow. And yeah. Hopefully it works this time. Hopefully I can get it finished. And then, yeah, I won't have to worry about getting my brake pads changed because they're pretty gnarly. Kind of making a really, really bad sound when I drive. So, yeah, try not to drive anywhere. Gonna just stay home, try to stay warm since the wind is like super, super crazy outside. And then we're gonna give it another go tomorrow. So, yeah, we'll see how that goes. See you guys tomorrow.